Hi, teacher and classmate. My name is Nebiluchoa, and today I am going to talk about marriage equality. I choose this topic because it is about equal right, fairness, and respect. Marriage equality has changed the life of many people around the world. In it countries to be an important topic in many countries. This presentation, I will explain that Marie Query is gave some background information, share a few interesting facts, explain why it is important, and finally guide my personal opinion. First, what is married equality? Married equality means that two adults can legally marry regardless of their gender or sexual orientation. In other words, same-sex couples have the same legal rights and responsibilities as opposite-sex couples. For many years, same-sex couples could not get married in many parts of the world. Because of this, they often did not have the same legal protection. For example, they could face problems with insurance, hospital bills, health insurance, debts, or adoption of making important medical decisions for their parents. Many people believe that everyone should have the same right under the law. Activity, lawyer, family, and human rights organizations worked for many years to promote marriage equality through peaceful campaign, education, and legal action. A very important moment happened in 2001 when the Netherlands became the first country in the world to legalize same-sex marriage. Since then, more than 35 countries have recognized marriage equality, although the laws are still different around the world. Marriage equality is not only about wedding or celebration, it is also about giving couples the same legal rights, responsibilities, and protection as any other married couple. Here are some interesting facts. First, the first legal same-sex marriage took place in the Netherlands in 2001. Today, more than 35 countries recognize marriage equality. Public support for marriage equality has increased in many countries over the past 4 decades. Many same-sex couples are raising children and legal marriage helps provide greater security and legal protection for the families. Even today, marriage equality is still being discussed in different parts of the world. Some countries recognize it while others do not. This shows that the conversation about equality and human rights it is continuing. In my opinion, marriage equality is an important human rights issue because every person deserves equal treatment under the law. Mm, I believe that adults should have the freedom to marry the person they love if they choose to do so. Equal rights help treat a society based on respect, fairness, and inclusion. The same time, I think it is important to respect that people many have different opinions or belief. Even we deserve should listen to every diversity and treating everyone with kindness. Overall, I believe that equal and respect make our communities strong. Question. Before I finish, I would like to ask you two questions. First question. Why do you think equal rights are important in society? Second, what kind of schools and communities do you promote respect and inclusion for everyone? Thank you so much, everyone, for your attention. I will be happy to answer any question.